Hey everyone! Summer's rolling in faster than a heat wave in the desert, and while most of us love the sunny vibes, our electricity bills aren't nearly as thrilled. But don't worry, I've got some cool hacks to help you beat the heat without burning a hole in your pocket. Today, I'm here to help you keep cool without turning your wallet into a sweatshop. We all know how unbearable it can get when the temperature rises, and the last thing you want is to be stuck in a sweltering home. So let's dive into some practical tips that will make your summer a breeze. First up, let's talk windows. Did you know that about 30% of unwanted heat comes from your windows? So let's outsmart the sun. Windows are like giant magnifying glasses that can turn your home into an oven if you're not careful. During the day, keep those blinds closed or invest in blackout curtains. It's like putting sunglasses on your house. Not only does this block out the intense sunlight, but it also helps maintain a cooler indoor temperature. Not only does it keep your living space cooler, but it gives your AC a break, and your wallet will definitely thank you for that. Speaking of AC, did you know that adjusting your thermostat by just a few degrees can make a significant difference in your energy consumption? Try setting it a bit higher when you're not home. Next, become a fan of fans. Ceiling fans, desk fans, even those quirky handheld fans your grandma loves. Fans are a fantastic way to circulate air and create a cooling effect without relying solely on your air conditioner. Running fans can make a room feel up to 7 degrees cooler. Plus, they use way less electricity compared to air conditioners. And here's a pro tip. Make sure your ceiling fans are rotating counterclockwise during the summer to push cool air down. Just remember, fans cool people, not rooms. So turn them off when you leave a room. It's a simple habit that can save you a lot on your energy bill over time. Now let's spice things up by turning them off. Yeah, you heard me. Large appliances generate a lot of heat, which can make your home feel like a sauna. Avoid using big appliances during the heat of the day. Ovens, washing machines, dishwashers, they all add extra heat to your house. Instead, try to use them during the cooler parts of the day, like early morning or late evening. Try grilling outside or go for a refreshing salad instead. Your body and your electric bill will both be lighter. Plus, who doesn't love a good barbecue or a crisp, cool salad on a hot day? Changing up your light bulbs can also throw some shade on your energy costs. Traditional incandescent bulbs can produce a lot of heat, which is the last thing you need in the summer. Switch to LED bulbs if you haven't already. They're cooler, literally. LEDs emit very little heat and are much more energy efficient. LEDs use about 75% less energy and last 25 times longer than those old-school incandescent bulbs. They're the marathon runners of light bulbs. So not only will you save on your energy bill, but you'll also reduce the frequency of changing bulbs. Lastly, let's not forget about insulation. Good insulation doesn't just keep you warm in the winter, it keeps you cool in the summer too. Insulation acts as a barrier to prevent heat from entering your home. Check for leaks around your doors and windows. A little weather stripping or some caulking can go a long way in keeping the cool air in and the hot air out. It's a small investment that can lead to significant savings in the long run. So there you have it, folks. Keep those blinds closed, turn on the fans, avoid heat-generating appliances, switch to LED lighting, and seal up any leaks. These simple steps can make a world of difference in keeping your home cool and comfortable. Follow these tips, and you'll stay as cool as a cucumber without breaking the bank. Stay chill and see you next time. Remember, a cooler home means a happier you. Enjoy your summer.